1993, and this is what's it? Yes, Hämeentie at the Västvägen 65. It's here. It's actually Helmanni, Helmanstad, but close to Laila Valgård here in Helsinki, as Forshuusemani in Finland. It was built in 1956. It turned 65 years old in 2021. December is 6908. And this was for us in 1993. The musician will be 30 years old this year, in 2023. And it has some floors. But it's a little bit dark inside.
Yeah.
We expect in 2024. These are storage, but I think we need more light. Maybe you can, or somebody can put it.
Yeah.
Or, I think I'll put the flashlight.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. It is a bit dark. I'll try to put it on.
Yeah.
There it is, ficklampa and torchlight. Okay, I think I'll press it. I just got my. Yeah, that's better. Sometimes they updated the buttons here.
Yeah.
Probably in the early 2000s.
Yeah.
Well, they still, but green is better. But this is still really nice. I should have been green.
Yeah. Inspected by Kiva Inspectant, maintained by Kone.
The basement door is locked off.
Yes.
But you can still ride it to the basement.
Yeah.
Love this man. We can maybe turn the lights outside also.
Yeah.
Well, you can. Yeah, alright. Sensor. I love this feeling.
Same.
Back to the first floor. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this elevator as much as I did. I love that mirrors. It's very typical 1950s.
Yeah. That's